Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Trevor Jackson here, first time I believe, on Gordon Guitar. Anyway, this is a song called This Won't Go Viral. I hope it does. It's a great song and a great guitar song as well, very guitar friendly, and we will have a fun time learning this one. So let's start right away. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 chords to go over. So let's start with the chords. We'll start with E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord is A sus2, so that is open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Very easy chord to grip and handle. Next chord will be the C sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the 4th fret, and you include all strings there except from the E here in the bass. So 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And the final chord will be B sus chord. So that will be 2nd on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, and then open B and open E. So it's an open and an airy chord. So there you have the chords: E, A sus2, C sharp minor, and B sus. Okay, so this will be pretty much 2 chord progression rounds, different rounds. So they're very similar, but a different ending there. But before we go into which chords to play here, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So grab that E chord first, and this is a split here in the strumming pattern, so it would need to have 2 parts. So let's give you a full strumming round here with this E to hear how it sounds, and then we're gonna see where to split it. So first, a full strumming round sounds like this. Yeah, that's it. Very short one. So the first part will be down clap. So just like this. That's it. And then comes the second part. This is where you normally shift chord in this chord progression, and it will be down and then a short pause, and then comes the clap. So like this. So to give you an idea of how the rhythm goes, I'm gonna give you the first part, the down clap with E, and then I'm gonna shift to A sus and play the part 2, the down clap, okay? So it goes like this. Okay, a couple rounds of it will sound like this. So yeah, I think you get it here. It's down, clap, down, and then pause, clap. So that's how we're gonna work with this strumming pattern. So now let's go into the chord progression. Like I mentioned, we have pretty much one, but it's a different ending there, so that will make 2 different chord progression rounds. So let's start with the first one. You will play E as the first chord, and you will play 1 full strumming round for that one. So like this. Okay. And then you're gonna play A sus2 part 1 and back to E part 2. So like this. Okay. And then you play the C sharp minor part 1. And from here on, this is where the changes come when it comes to the endings here. So this first chord progression round, from the C sharp minor, you go to the A sharp, A sus2, and play part 2. And then you end with the B sus, just 1 down. And then a longer pause. Okay, so that's the first chord progression round with this ending. So to summarize it, it will be E, 1 full, then A sus, part 1, and E, part 2. Then comes the C sharp, part 1, and then A sus 2, part 2, and then 1 down on the B sus. That's the first chord progression round. The next, you're going to alternate this. The next one will start in the same way. So it will be 1 full of E, A sus, E, and then comes the C sharp minor, part 1, still in the same way. And from here on comes the different second ending here. It will be B sus 2 here, part 2. And then you're going to play A, part 1, and E, part 2. And that's the ending of the second round. So there you have it, 2 different endings, very similar chord progression rounds, and that's what's going on through the entire song. So I'm gonna give you these both rounds now. I'm gonna play for you. So let's go. That's the first one and the second one. So yeah, there you have it, Trevor Jackson's This Won't Go Viral. So give it a try, great song to learn, and till next time guys, play tuned.